Smart cameras are changing the way we keep our homes safe, offering peace of mind no matter where you are. Whether it's keeping an eye on your home, watching your kids, or checking who's at the door, these devices are always working in the background to keep you secure. But outdoor security cameras come with a challenge: power. They need to be able to stand up to the elements and still stay connected to your home. So, how can you power them without the hassle of long wires and constant maintenance? Introducing the Roku Battery Camera and Battery Camera Plus, designed with convenience in mind. These smart cameras run on rechargeable batteries, cutting the cord and freeing you from the need for power outlets or complicated installations. With the Roku Battery Camera, installation is simple. No more worrying about outdoor power lines or finding the nearest outlet. These cameras can be placed anywhere, giving you flexibility and ease in securing all corners of your home. These cameras don't just offer convenience. They deliver crystal clear 1080p Full HD video with color night vision, ensuring every moment is captured in vivid detail, even after the sun goes down. Whether it's day or night, you'll always have a clear view of what's going on outside your home. And here's where it gets even better. The Roku Battery Camera and Plus can be paired with a Roku Solar Panel to keep your cameras powered indefinitely. So no more worrying about battery life. Your cameras can stay charged with the power of the sun. All of this is controlled through the Roku mobile app or web browser, giving you full access to your camera's live feed anywhere, anytime. And if you're a Roku Smart TV user, monitoring your cameras is even easier, right from your TV. Now you can keep track of your home effortlessly. The Roku Battery Camera is built for durability, offering an easy, eco-friendly solution for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint, all while maintaining the highest security standards. With its long-lasting battery life, up to 6 months for the standard model and a full year for the Plus, you'll spend less time worrying about recharging and more time enjoying peace of mind. The Roku Battery Camera and Battery Camera Plus are changing the game, offering easy installation, powerful security, and greener technology, without the need for wires or complicated setup. Secure your home the smart way. Cut the cord with Roku.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.